Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to download and install the IDC Smart TV application to your Smart TV or your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to do that, the first you have to do is to make sure the application is not yet installed. Once you do that, then go over to your App Store, which is going to be the same on any Hisense Smart TV. As long as you have Hisense Smart TV, you're going to get this App Store. So as you cover here, you can browse through to search for application. The simplest thing to do is just go over here and search. To search, just go ahead and type IDC, and you're going to get this. So here's the application IDC Smart TV. So just click on it once, and it's going to bring you to the option or the portal in which you can install. So just click on it, install, and you see it has more than 270 channels you can watch on your Hisense Smart TV. So you can choose where to place it, and once done, good to go, you can go ahead and launch the application to see how it is on your Hisense Smart TV. But that's it about this video, installing the application and launching. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this.